Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today we are talking about a country that has recently changed its name, and we will take a look at the salary that you can expect as a project manager in this Middle Eastern country. Have you been able to guess yet which country I'm talking about? Which Middle Eastern country went for a name change? Now, let me share where this country is located and let's see if you are able to make out. So, Turkey. This used to be known as Turkey earlier, and this is the country that we are talking about today. It is located pretty much in the middle of the world, but the Turkish currency has been one of the worst performing currencies in Asia, actually. So, $1 today can fetch you around 30 Turkish lira. But if you go back 5 years, you would find that in 2018, $1 would fetch you only 5.27 Turkish lira, which is now up to around 30 Turkish lira. And that is why I said that this has been one of the worst performing currencies out there. But let's talk about the kind of salaries that you can expect as a project manager in Turkey or Turkey. A quick reminder here, every time we do a video like this, we refer to the PMI salary survey report. All copyrights acknowledged, no copyright infringement intended. Get yourselves your own copy of this report by becoming a PMI member. Also, if you want to go over some of the other countries that we have covered so far, check out the first link in the description, which will take you to an entire playlist of all the videos. All right, let's get back to the numbers for Turkey. So, the numbers that you see here are in Turkish lira, and that is why I showed you the conversion from Turkish lira to USD. We will take a look at median figures because median is closest to reality, and this is an annual number. So annually, a project manager can expect to make around 200,000 Turkish lira. Total compensation, it comes around 224,000 Turkish lira annually. And this includes some other bonuses, benefits, etc., right, over your salary. Now, let's talk about how the last 12 months have been. 24% people surveyed that their salary remained the same. 20% received a hike of 10 to 15%, and 17% received a hike of around 20% maximum, right? 15 to 20%. In fact, 10% got a hike of 20 to 25%. So I hope you are able to make out why people are getting such high percentage of hikes, because the currency is falling down and the inflation is going up. So people are getting high raises as well. In the next 12 months, 19% people said that their salary might remain the same. 26% are expecting a hike of 15 to 20%, while 21% are expecting a hike of 10 to 15%. Let's talk about analyzed salary by position description. As you rise through the ranks in project management, as you become the director of PMO, you can expect to make the most. Project management consultants are making around 240,000 Turkish lira annually. That's the salary that consultants are drawing. Annualized salary by years of work experience and annualized salary by years worked in project management. As your years increase, your salary is also going to rise. Annualized salary by highest formal education level obtained. If you have a doctoral degree, you can expect to make the most. So this is one of those countries where having higher education is going to help you out in earning more. So if you're someone in Turkey, if you're someone trying to move there, go for masters, go for PhDs, and you will be able to make the most. Annualized salary by degree in project management. You don't necessarily need a degree in project management to earn the most here, because as you can see, people without a degree in project management reported earning more than people with a degree in project management. But having a PMP is definitely a plus. People with PMP report earning much higher than people without PMP. There is a pay gap that I wanted to voice out. Males are making more than females in Turkey. Let's talk about analyzed salary by department. So PMO, or the project management department, your general management department, operations or manufacturing, these are the kind of departments that pay the highest in Turkey. And when we talk about industry, you can see that resources, agriculture, mining, etc., they are the ones that pay the highest, followed by construction, followed by financial services, telco industry. These are the kind of industries that pay the most. All right, let's talk about annualized salary by number of employees in entire organization. And you can expect to earn the most if your company has 5,000 to 10,000 employees. These are the kind of companies that pay the highest, followed by companies that have 1,000 to 2,500 employees. So these are mid-level companies, they pay the most, right? Even companies with 2,500 to 5,000 employees, right? So you should be aiming for companies that have more than 1,000 employees but less than 10,000, and you will set yourselves up in a position to earn the most. All right, finally, let's talk about the number of hours that people work in Turkey. People are expected to work more than 40 hours, hands down. So you are expected to clock in 44, 42, 43 hours every week. And people report working even more. People report working up to 50 hours every week in Turkey. So that's something to consider if you are trying to move to Turkey and if you want to work in project management. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.